Yo, what's up mga katipa? So ito, tutugtugin natin yung Conway Tweety na That's My Job. Request po ito ni Ma'am Edith Digel. So ito na po yung request niya, ma'am. Sana magustuhan nyo. Very old songs to mga lads. So tara, tugtugin na natin. I woke up crying late at night when I was very young. I dreamed my father had passed away and gone. But wherever around him, I couldn't lie there anymore. So I made my way down the mirror road and tapped upon the door. And I said, Daddy, I'm so afraid. How will I go on with you gone that way? Don't wanna cry anymore, so I stay with you. And he said, that's my job, that's what I do. Everything I do is because of you, to keep you safe with me. That's my job, you see. Everything I do is because of you, to keep you safe with me. That's my job, you see. So, ni-request nyo, madam. Very, old song. So, thank you for watching mga lads. Balang ginawa ko dun para ni-revive ko lang. So, yung mga gusto mag-request, comment down below lang mga lads.